Hey guys, David Katzmaier at CES 2020, and guess where I am? This is the LG suite in the Mandalay Bay. Let's go check it out. So LG has a bunch of new TVs coming out this year. I'm going to take you right through them. This is a beautiful little suite they got going here. This is at the very top of the Mandalay Bay Hotel. I'm going to step past these guys here. Hey Juan. So we'll start with the coolest thing. Maybe you remember this from last year. This is the LG Rollable TV. Wait, what TV? You're asking. What is this TV? I don't know. Is there a TV here? Who can tell? Wait, what the heck? Look at this thing. I mean, seriously, this just comes right up out of the stand here. Look at that. It's a 65-inch OLED TV. They've somehow managed to roll it up inside here. If you get an X-ray vision, this would be like a little poster under here, and just rolls right up. Start watching TV or a mass storage device with photo and video with your custom LG demo, and boom, there it is. This is a standard OLED TV otherwise, but of course it's really about this amazing thing. It also goes down halfway into a new little mode that they're calling line mode. So this thing lowers a little bit. You get this effect of it being, oh, look at it, it's going now. See, just appreciate this lowering for a minute, everybody, please. I mean, I can hear the motor. No, I can't. It's totally silent. So in case you're wondering, they haven't set a price yet. This thing I'm hearing is around $60,000. You know, if you have to ask, don't. Which is, you know, again, ridiculously expensive for a 65-inch OLED TV. But hey, you know what? You're a rich guy with a really nice view. By the way, Rich, can we look at this view here? Rich is my cameraman. Beautiful. So that was LG's rollable OLED TV. Behind me is another LG TV, a lot larger. This is a 77-inch TV with 8K resolution. So 8K is a new fangled resolution. It's 4 times the resolution of 4K. There's no 8K content out right now. TV looks beautiful, but don't expect to actually be able to watch much on it. We're showing some YouTube videos with 8K right now. They look really nice, but most of the stuff you're going to be watching is 4K, if that. This TV has fancy processing to upconvert that stuff from whatever resolution it is to hit the 8K pixels on the screen. But the really cool thing about this is the screen size. This is a 77-inch television. LG also makes, wait for it, an 88-inch version. That's not here. That TV right now sells for $30,000. So these things are not cheap. Of course, the 77 probably a little bit less expensive, maybe 20, who knows, they haven't set pricing yet. But again, 8K resolution, it's got all the bells and whistles that LG builds into it, and they're also talking about, again, this is OLED, so you get that picture quality that you can't find on an LCD TV. So that's LG's 77-inch 8K OLED, brand new for 2020. This is their NanoCell TV. It's not an OLED, it's an LCD TV, 75-inch. That's also new this year. We're going to go over to the 4K televisions. Follow me. This section of the room, this is the gallery display that LG is coming. This is, again, new this year. Super thin television. It's really all about how it's wall mounted on this TV. All the electronics and everything integrated into the TV, but they managed to get it 20 millimeters deep, you can see here, right up against the wall. So a lot of times wall mounts will stick the TV out from the wall a little bit. So this is the back. This is a 77-inch OLED. It also comes in 65 and 55-inch sizes. This is the wall mount. Comes with the television. Proprietary wall mount here. It pops right out. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, guys. Oh, that's so, okay. I'm not going to break the TV. You see it kind of slips off of here. You mount this to your wall, and then you push it on. Boom. Super flush against the wall. This, again, comes with it. They don't have an articulated version yet that can flip out and do a bunch of other stuff, but it does stick out from the wall. There's even a little leveling issue here if your ceiling isn't quite the same level relative to your floor. And of course, they have a nice cable management system. So you plug in your HDMI, everything under here. It kind of channels down through the bottom of the TV. Really slick installation. This is one of the higher end models. Again, it'll be not as expensive as those rollable or 8K models you just saw. It's kind of right in the middle there, but again, very expensive. All OLED TVs are expensive. But wait, you're asking, can I afford an OLED TV? Well, this year, LG is coming out with the smallest OLED TV yet. This is a 48-inch model. So this thing, I've been complaining about OLED pricing for a long time. It really is very expensive. LG has done a lot to bring down pricing, but I think this thing they're saying is going to be cheaper than the 55-inch version that's the smallest one so far. The benefit here, obviously, you can get it onto a desk, because they have it here with a nice gaming setup. They also can put this TV into an apartment or another smaller space. So again, this extra screen size, something people have been asking for. You're a high-end shopper, you want to have an OLED TV, you just don't have the space for it. To get a 55 in there, this 48-inch, a nice option. That's also coming out this year in the C series. It's going to be the second most affordable series. There's also a B series. They don't have that here. That's the cheapest of the OLED TVs and usually my favorite just because it's the best value for the money. Real quick with the gaming stuff here, they're supporting Nvidia G-Sync. So gamers, if you have a G-Sync compatible device or a new console, PlayStation 4 and Xbox One are compatible, you can plug them in here and you can get variable refresh rate, which of course increases the video quality. This thing can go up to 4K 120 Hertz this year with Nvidia G-Sync. So again, really cool for gamers who really want that extra little bit of video quality. So that's everything from LG's Hospitality Suite here at CES. Remember to subscribe to CNET for more great videos from CES 2020.